Priyanka from Memory Keepers. Today I'm gonna make a tutorial for Father's Day gift options. So I have made this. It's a cute small wallet size matchbox kind of thing, and when you just slide out, and there we go, it's a kind of a pop-up and it says surprise and the best dad on top. You can obviously change the message, and here's a gift card. And if you don't want to keep a gift card, you can just put inscribe some messages here, and then when you open this up, you have some space for messages and photos. Okay, and this opens from both sides, and here also you can make a tuck spot and put in more pictures, and that's it. So let's just get started. So when you close this, you have to just push it down a little bit so that it closes nicely. Okay, let's just start the tutorial. And I'm gonna use this paper bag from Prima. It's Cigar Box Secrets. Okay, first we need a piece of cardstock. This measures 8 inches by 418, and then this is gonna be our cover. So first I'm gonna score at 1/2 inch. Then 118, this is 1, and a bit more than 1 is 118. Then we're gonna score at 4/1/4, 478. Then just fold on your score lines, and this piece is gonna get stick right over here like this. So I'm gonna take stick tape at the back side of this. Box. And now for the tray, we need another piece. This will measure 5 inches by 4 inches, and I'm gonna score at 1/2 inch on all the 4 sides. We have these intersections, so I'm gonna slit from here and then make a little bit of a taper like this and remove this piece. Then I'll just rotate, and again I'll make a slit and taper. Do the same thing for all the 4 sides. Okay, and then just fold on these, and we have to put pieces of tape on these smaller parts. One piece, this is going to measure 12 inches by 3/3/4 inch, and it will accommodate all your 4/3 pictures, but you have to crop it a little bit. So first I'm going to score at 2/7/8, then 5/3/4, then 8/5/8, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 11.5. And then I'm gonna stick tape on this 1/2 inch side. And then we're gonna fold it in a zigzag manner. First I'm gonna fold it towards the back, and then this piece will go like this, and this one like so, and this one like so. Okay, if you don't mind this getting out, then it's okay, and if you don't like it, you can just trim this off a little bit. But remember, if you trim this off, you have to put pattern paper according to the measurements. Like this will be a little bit shorter now. Okay, now we need to make the belly band, where the gift card will go. So this measures 1 inches by 3/7/8, so it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, so I'm gonna score at 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch on both the sides. Fold it, and then in the center, stick this, and then I'm gonna hold it for a little while so that it sticks properly. Now after you have done this, you can stick this in your tray, keeping a margin a little bit on all the four sides like this. Oops. Okay, like this, and then you can just garnish from here. Okay, so this is it. Now for the pop-up, take any any piece that's, the paper should be a little bit thin. It should not be like this craft one. So I'm taking this white piece and one of these scraps because we are not gonna see this. So what I will do is, this is 1 inch by 12 inch. You will need 2 strips. So I'm gonna fold it in half like this. So I know that this is the center, and then from the center, this point, I'll just do like this. So this point will come here. Can you see this? Just like we used to make in our childhood, some party bunters and hangings. Okay, and then just start folding it like this, like a fan, like a not like a fan, like crisscross. Keep on doing this. Piece will go on top like this, and then you can make use any die cut, any shape, or if you don't have any die cut or die cutting machine, then you can just simply cut a piece of paper in any shape that you want, and then you can stamp a message on top, or maybe you can write it with hand. So I have just cut this out from the pattern paper itself and stamped surprise on top, and then I'm gonna stick this. Just make sure whatever you are putting, it should be inside this. Okay, and so this one was a bit longer, so instead of putting it like this, I thought it would look good if I put it like this, so that my message is also readable. And then I'm gonna stick this right on top. So when we open this, it will pop out. Okay, so now let's just put pattern papers quickly. I have cut this piece to 258 by 358, and then I'm going to stick it with foam tape to give it a bit of a dimension. On top like this, in the center, and then I have cut out these best dad in this same pattern paper, and then that's it, it's ready. So we have married this, and then this is gonna be your pop-up matchbox with best tag and space for pictures and a gift card. I hope you guys like this. Do subscribe to my channel if you like it, and hit the bell icon so that you get the latest updates for videos as soon as I upload it. And thanks for watching. See you. Stay safe. Bye.